Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today this is my first lecture for grade 6, that is on knowing our numbers. In this chapter you will learn all these things. First one is natural numbers, second one is digits and figures, third one is Indian place value chart. You have already done these things in your grade 5. Now here you will revise that one and you will learn something new. Next is the international place value chart, numerals and the numeration, and last one is the last but not least face value and the place value. Let's start with first one, that is natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? In the earlier classes, you have been dealing with counting numbers. Counting numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Yes. So these counting numbers are natural numbers. These counting numbers are the natural numbers. We don't know the number that is at the last. So it is up to infinity. Okay. So what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers that are started from 1 and going up to infinity. So what is the first natural number? First is 1, and we can say this is also the smallest natural number. Smallest natural number. What is smallest natural number? That is 1. What about greatest natural number? Think about this. What is greatest natural number? We cannot find out the greatest natural number. This is up to infinity. So this is endless. We cannot tell. Okay. Endless counting, so we cannot tell this greatest natural number. We just know smallest natural number is 1, or all the numbers that is started from 1 to starting from 1 and going up like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to infinity. These are the natural numbers. Smallest natural number is 1. Okay. So next is digits and the figures. Next is digits and figures. When you are writing any number, when you are representing any number, so you are using 10 symbol for that. What are that 10 symbol? 10 symbols. What are that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, over 7, 8 and 9. So for writing any number, you are using these 10 symbols. So these 10 symbols are called digits and figures. Means 0 is a digit, or we can say 0 is a figure. So these are the digits or figures. Next is Indian place value system. You have already learned about the Indian place value system and the international in your grade 5th. Now we will just revise that. Indian place value system. What is Indian place value system? In the Indian place value system, how to draw the Indian place value chart? So there is ones period, next is thousands, yes, next is lakhs, crores, yes. So what are these? These are your periods. And this periods are separated by commas. Yes, when you will write any number, so you will separate it, these periods by commas. Now in the ones period there are three places, that is ones, tens and hundred. Yes, in the thousand periods there is 2000 and the 10,000. Next is the lakh and 10 lakh. Here is crore and 10 crore. Okay, so means in the Indian place value system, if you have to put commas, any number is given to you and you have to put commas in that. So in the first you will start from the right hand side, and in the first period you will take 3 digits. After that in each and every period you will take two places or two digits. So there is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Suppose you are having any number. Okay, let's consider any number. Suppose I am having 36, 45, 1, 6, 2. I don't know what is this. Okay, I don't know where is the commas. Commas is not given. First they are saying put the commas in the given number according to Indian place value system. So in the Indian place value system, in the ones period there is 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. You will put comma here. Next is in each and every period there is two digits. Yes. So now there is no digit. So okay. So what is this? If you will read this, write this number in your place value chart from the back. From the back side, 2, 6, 1, 5, 4, 6 and 3. So how to read this number? This is 3, 6. This is in one period. This is in lakhs period. So you will say 36 lakhs. If you have to write this number in words, write this number in words. 36 lakhs 45,000. This period is 1000. So 45,000 next is 162. 162. Full stop. Okay. So this is your Indian place value system. Okay. Now I'm drawing international place value system. Place value chart for you. Okay. So here I'm using that one. So okay, I'm rubbing this one. Board is very small. Okay. So here I'm writing international place value chart. In the international place value chart, here will be ones period, next will be thousands, and the third one that will not lakhs, that will be millions, and next is the billions. Okay, so in this, in the first ones period, we will take 3 digits as we have taken in Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Here will be 1000. Next is 10,000, and 100,000. Up to here both system are same, but after that it will be changed. So in the thousands here will be first let's separate this and this also. So here will be 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Here will be million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay. If we compare these two systems, international place value system and the Indian, this is your Indian. Yes. Okay. If we compare these two, if any number is given to you, suppose I am having 36, 45, 10, 205 like this. Let's complete this. Okay, so this is in Indian. Okay, now in the international, last three is same, ones, tens, 100, yes. In the next one, that is 1,000, it will be 1,000, then it will be 10,000, then here will be 100,000. Next will be, after the 100,000 there will be, it will be million, then 10 million and then 100 million. Okay, so if you want to do this billions you can go ahead, but here we are doing up to crores, so we will do this up to millions. Okay, so now write that number again for the international. It will be get separated with 3 3. Okay, so here will be 3 6 4 and 5 1 0 2 0 5. I use same number for both the system. This is our Indian system and this is our international. Okay, so in the Indian system we will read this number. I'm rubbing this now. If we will write this number in Indian according to Indian place value system, according to Indian, if I will read this number, if I want to write this into words, how I will write? 36 crore, 36 crores, 36 crores, 45, this is lakhs, 45 lakhs. Next is 10,000. 10,000. Next is 205. 205. Okay. If I want to write this number according to international system, in the international system. In the international system, in each and every period, we are taking 3 places, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. But in the Indian system, in the first one, in the ones period, we are taking 3 places, and after that we are taking 2 2 in each. Okay. So how we will read this number according to international system? Here is 3, 3, 6, 4. So you will say 300 millions we will use one time. 364 364, which period is this? This is millions, and this is thousands, and here it is ones. Yes. So how you will read? 600, or you can say read this individually. 364. 364. Which period is this? Millions. Okay. So next is this. So it is 510. 510. This is in thousand. So 510,000. 510,000. Okay. What is next? This is simple. 205. 205. Yes. I hope you understand difference between the Indian place value system and the international place value system, and how to read a number. If any number is given to you, first you will write this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 for Indian system, and for the international you will write this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and then 100 million. Okay. So after this we will do, after both the system we will do what is the numerals and the numeration. What is the numerals and numeration. You have learned in your previous classes, write a number in words, write a number in figures. So numeral means you are writing number in numerical form, means you are writing a digit or a group of digit is called a numeral. Suppose you are having 6, you are having 16, you are having 100. So whether you are using one digit and two digit means group of digits, so that is numerals. So these are the numerals. When you are writing a number in words, when you are writing a number in words, so that is called numeration. That is called numeration. Okay. After this numerals and the numeration, next is face value and the place value. You have already done this place value and the face value, but here we will do some more operation on that. Face value and place value. Okay. What is the face value? Face value of a number is the digit itself. Face value, suppose you are having any number 15,520. Suppose you are having this number. What is the face value? Face value is the value of a digit itself. Suppose you have to find out the face value of 2. That will be 2, means digit itself. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 1 is 1. Face value of 0 is 0. Means the face value will be only digit. Okay. And what about the place value? Suppose I have to find out the place value place value of 2. What will be that? This is, what is the place of this? Here is ones, tens, 100, 1000, and here will be 10,000. So what is the place? 10. What is the place? 10. 10 means we will do 2 into 10. 2 into 10. So what will be that? 20. What will be that? 20. Or you can say, if you are having, if suppose you have to find out the face value of 5. This 5, not this one. I am taking this one. Face value of 5. What will be that? The face value of a number is digit itself. So it will be 5. What about its place value? Place value of 5. What will be that? What is the place of this number? 100. So that makes 500. You can multiply that number by 100, or you can simply write that digit and what is the place? That is 100. So you will read 500. So 500 will be the place value of 5. Okay. After this, suppose you are having any big number like there is 3 2 times. Okay, so what you have to find out? You have to find out the place value of the both 3's, and then you have to find out the product of that. Means find out place value of both 3's and find their product. Find their product. Product means multiply. Product means multiply. So first what we will do, we will find out the place value of these both 3. So first write this number 501. On the top of this write ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000. It is lakh, and then 10 lakh. Okay. So we have to find out place value of this and this. So what will be the place value of these 3? Place value is equal to 3,000. 3, what is this? 1000. So that will be 3,000. Okay. And what about this? Place value, what will be that? 3 lakh. 3 lakh means how many zero will be there? 5. So this is 3 lakh. Got it? So find out place values of both 3's. Okay, you have done place value of both 3's. Next is and find their product. What we have to find out next? Product of both the place values. So how you will find out product? You will write the product. Product is equal to 3. First one is 3,000 multiplied this. How to multiply this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 5, 5 and these 3, and multiply this. What is left? 3 3s are 9. So this is the product of your place values. Suppose they want the sum of these two place values. Sometimes they want the sum. If you have to find out sum of place values of both 3's. So how to do that? You know the place value. One is the 3 lakh. Another one one is 3000. So start writing from the back side, 0 0 0. So like this. Okay. So add this 0 0 0. It will be 3 0. This will be 3. So this is your answer for addition. If they want the difference of the place values, difference of the place value, difference of place values. If you want to do that difference in the same number, you can do. If you want to take another example, so let's take another one. Suppose I am having one number, 73 45 101. So here this is 101. So in this, do this also 1 and do this 4. Okay. So what we have to find out? We have to find out place value of both ones. Okay. So what will be the place value of this? You will write this number again. So place value is equal to place value. What is the place? You will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes. So what is the place of 1? 100. So just write 100. And what is the place value of this? Place value. What is that? This is 1. And what is that? 10 lakh. 10 lakh means we will say simply this digit and 10 lakh. So it will be 10 lakh. Okay. Yes. 10 lakh. So if they want the difference of the place values, so always we will subtract smaller number from the greater number. So which one is this? This one. This is 10 lakh. So write this first. Start writing another number from back side. Subtract this. It will be 0. It will be 0. It is 0. So you will take here borrow. So it will go there, then it will be 9. From 9 it will go, here will be 10. From 10, 1 will go 9. It is also 9, 9 and this is also 9. So this is your answer. I hope you understand this. We will continue this chapter in the next video. This time this is enough. So do the practice of all these sums and different statements. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you.